Thank you for joining Motivation Inspired. My name is Isaac. If this is the first time checking this channel out, down below hit the subscribe button. Be sure to follow. If you're on an Android device, make sure all notifications turned on. Apple devices, smash the bell. We'd love to have you. And today we're going to be talking about seeing good in others when you choose. That's right, when you choose. Stay tuned after this. In this video, I explain 5 ways that's going to help you understand seeing good in people when you choose. How many of you love to meet people? I do. I love to meet people. I love to get to know them. And I like to give people a chance to connect, to see if there's a connection, right? So you're giving people a chance. When you give people a chance, you're giving them the opportunity to redeem themselves, to see if they're worthy as friendship comes along, trustworthiness comes along. That's how you know when you see good in people. It's the value that means the most. Seeing good in others when you choose. How about expressing gratitude? When is the last time you thanked somebody and you went the extra mile? Just recently I saw a video regarding a man who had a heart transplant. It was out of a young lady, 22 years old, and he got this transplant, and it was like renewed young, an older man who basically knew that he had to do something good for the people around, to show people how good other people are. So he ran a marathon, 2,200 miles, to thank that person who donated a heart. In return, that gentleman gave him a reward to listen to the heart of his daughter. That's gratitude. That's something to get excited on. Understand the personal growth through that and the challenges he went through, and gratitude settled in. That's awesome. Seeing good in others when you choose. How about encouraging? When is the last time you've said something to that person to pursue their goals and dreams? Well, it starts with the individual. That's how good they are. They know. I know when somebody compliments me and encourages me, they're good because they're caring enough to encourage me to succeed in my dream. That's awesome. Seeing good in others when you choose by being friendly. Be friendly. Start being friendly. It'll change your perspective in life. When you are friendly, you know that people know the good in you. And lastly, seeing good in others when you choose to see the compassion in one another. You can see that good, right? Just from a perspective, you say, that person's a good person. That's evident of what a compassionate person is. Thanks for joining Motivation Inspired. Down below there's a subscribe button. Be sure to subscribe. And you're also welcome to tell me what you would like to see on the next video. Love to have you. Please stay tuned. Thumbs up, like. See you next time.